Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
In this tutorial, we are going to create a journey of the sun paper circuit project. For this experiment, we will require a pair of scissors, one 3V lithium coin cell battery, one red LED, one yellow LED, one red LED, one yellow LED, one green LED, and a copper tape, a printed scenery sheet. Now, let's start building. Using a pencil, draw the circuit layout as shown in the diagram. Make sure to leave separate connection points for the 3 LEDs and the battery. Next, take the conductive copper tape and carefully paste it along the circuit lines. Press the tape firmly so that all electrical paths are properly connected. Once the conductive tracks are ready, place the battery holder area at the bottom of the sheet according to the circuit design. Now, insert the LED into their marked positions. Place the orange LED at the morning sun position. Place the yellow LED at the noon sun position. And place the red LED at the evening sun position. Make sure the positive and negative legs of each LED are connected correctly to the conductive tape tracks. After fixing all 3 LEDs, secure the battery in its position. The positive terminal of the battery should connect to the positive track, while the negative terminal should connect to the negative track. Next, create the switch mechanism using a paper clip or metal pin. This movable switch will touch different conductive tracks one by one and complete the circuit.